Hello my dear students, once again welcome back to my channel. We'll be going to solve this question written on the screen. A polynomial in x of degree 3 vanishes when x is equal to 1 and x is equal to minus 2. That means what? The p of value p of 1 is equal to 0 and p of minus 2 is equal to 0. Now you might be remembering, if p of a is equal to 0, then x minus a is the factor of given polynomial. This will imply that x minus 1 is factor of p of x. Then next, what will be implying? X plus 2 is factor of p of x. So how p of x can be written by me? P of x can be written by s as k multiplied by x minus 1 multiplied by x plus 2 multiplied by x minus gamma it will be. Hope you guys would have got my point. Now let's proceed further. Gamma is what? The third root of this polynomial. Third root of p of x be gamma. We have assumed, okay. The value of p of minus 1 is 4 given to us, and the value of p of 2 is 28 given to us. So k, why I have written over here? I have assumed that like the coefficient of constant, the leading coefficient be k over here, the coefficient of cubic term be k over here. The value of p of minus 1, how it can be written by me? 4 is equal to k multiplied by minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 plus 2 minus 1 minus gamma. And 28 can be written by me as k multiplied by 28 minus 1, not 28, 2 minus 1, because p of 2 it is. So 2 minus 1, 2 plus 2 and 2 minus gamma. Let it be first expression, let it be second expression. So second divided by 1 when will be done by me? 28 upon 4 will be achieved by us. That is k multiplied by 1 multiplied by 4 into 2 minus gamma divided by k multiplied by minus 2 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1 minus 1 minus gamma. Now let's see what can be done by us. K will be getting cancelled with k. 28 will be getting cancelled with 4. 7 will be remaining. 7 is equal to 4 multiplied by 2 minus gamma divided by 2 into 1 plus gamma it will be. So here 2 will be remaining. So we'll be writing 7 plus 7 gamma is equal to 4 minus 2 gamma. So 9 gamma will be becoming what? Minus 3 over here. And gamma will be becoming what? Minus 1 by 3 over here. Till here we have got the value of gamma. They asked me the value of polynomial, that is what? P of x is equal to x minus 1 multiplied by x plus 2. Let's see whether it is right or not. Yeah, right. Multiplied by x minus gamma. So gamma is what? 1 minus of minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3, it will become x minus 1 multiplied by x plus 2 multiplied by x minus of minus 1 by 3, that is plus 1 by 3 it will be becoming. That means x minus 1 multiplied by x plus 2 multiplied by 3x plus 1 will be achieved by us, and 1 by 3 will be coming over here. So the k value also can be written by us as 1 by 3. So p of x value will be coming as 1 by 3 times of x minus 1 into x plus 2 multiplied by 3x plus 1. Hope you guys would have understood it, would have enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, my dear students.